Now it is time for my eyebrows. Now I just take my brush. Oh, I'm sorry. I use MAC, the Spike brand, and this will be my this brush here. It has the brush and the liner on the other tip. I think this is brand new. They just came out with this one. It wasn't always like that. So, as you can see, I don't have eyebrows, but makeup can do wonders. So, I start off by doing my outline of how thick I want them and where I want them to be. Try not to talk because I'm gonna mess up. This is very important. Your eyebrows are very important. If your eyebrows are not done correctly, you'll be the laughing stock. Alright. So let me go do my second one so I can make sure both of them are matching as best as possible. Let's see. Alright. We'll see. As you see, I don't have any eyebrows. But makeup does wonders. Let me show you. And I just go through with a light stroke. Not too dark. Because you may need to add more later. You don't want to overdo it. You want to keep them looking as natural as possible. I have to do a lot of darkening in because I don't have a lot of hair to help me. Now, the reason why I go all the way down is just so when I get my points, when it's all over, when I'm done, when I'm just about finishing, I can take as much off as I need to, so I can get my points just where I want them. And let's see here, second eye. I'm literally scared to talk. I like thick eyebrows. I like them thick. And I'm going to take another brush that I have that has makeup already on them and get that blend in there. Get that good blend. Again, I'm scared to talk when it comes to my eyebrows. I'm like focused. There we go. So, not perfect yet, but I'm working on it. So now I'm going to take my concealer. And this is one I got from, what's the store name? Safari. It is Boing. Not good with pronouncing names. Need to stick with something simple. Michelle, Jessica. Those are easy names. So now I'm taking my concealer and my brush to get them perfect. I'll start on this side. So I can always do my right side the best, as you can see earlier from my when I started in doing my eyelid liner. Don't want to go too close because you want to leave room later, just in case you need to fix it. But again, I don't want to talk. I'm terrified to talk. And I just want to take that excess concealer and go ahead and put it down here on my eyelid. That will help me later. Now, let's do the second eye. Trust me, I'm going to come back to this eye. But right now, just got to get them outlined first. This is the most tedious part of the makeup. Oh, aside of the first part with the applying the liquid eyelid liner. Oop. See? That's why I be scared to talk. Okay, I want to stop talking. Alright. I'm done. Shh. Okay. Next, gotta go over. To thin it up. I need to be quiet. And take that and blend it. Go ahead and do my little highlights up there. It's coming along. Right? Again, this part takes a long time. And just go and sit it right there. And get it ready. I got it ready. Now let's go. Okay, so I have a little dilemma. Right eye is always perfect. Left eye is never perfect. So, just one little area right here that I have trouble with. And I seem to always mess it up. So, going to save that spike and go back over it because it's not high enough. There we go. Now, I have to get this part here so it doesn't look so dark and not such like a unibrow. Okay? So what I do is take it, the tip of the brush, the same brush that I was using to outline my eyebrows because I have concealer on it. And so I take it and I just lightly go over it and blend that in. You don't want that look. Some girls don't blend in and it looks like you don't want it to look like this. You want it to look like this. But I'm going to fix this side a bit more. Here we go. Actually, this is too far down. So here we go. Now, you see where the darkness took away. I took away the darkness, but I still got the issue of it looking like a unibrow. So I need to go in and find my point. Right there. That's what I'm trying to do. See that? And then I'm going to do this side. See? Got it? Now, I'm going to do it again. I'm so tedious with these brows. I am like tedious. Voila. Now I want to get to these little, my points. And what I mean by I take it down because here I like them like I like the point to be right there at my eye. Right there. Boom. So if I take it down here, it leaves me room to make arrows and to get it right where I want it. See? Again, I will go over these eyebrows a million times. So I keep it out. Keep that brush, the liner. Oh, I never put it up. Okay, so all done.